Updating a skills matrix is really simple. You can view the item for training by clicking any of the SOP titles on the matrix and then conduct the training activity. We recommend best practice is a 4-step process. Prepare the trainee, walk through the process step by step, check their understanding, and validate that they're able to perform the task safely and to the required level of quality. And once you've done that, you can click any tile on the matrix and you'll automatically enter update mode. From there, select the appropriate competence level, add any notes, and save the record. Notes are useful for things like where the training took place, observations made during the training, or any incidents or coaching points worth recording. You can also upload certificates or supporting documents if required, and even add a training expiry date if that skill needs periodic review or recertification. If you're training multiple people on the same SOP or training activity, you can quickly work through each associate one by one. Both the trainer and trainee can sign electronically using a stylus on the mobile phone, tablet or iPad, whatever works best on the shop floor. And if you need to make changes later, just click Edit. And from there, you can add or remove training associates, update your SOPs or training items, and even include non-SOP training activities if needed. And remember, if you want more structure around a non-SOP item, you can always upload a PDF as an SOP and then reference it directly from the matrix. Then simply hit Save. The goal here is simple, not just documenting processes, but creating visibility, accountability, and verified competence across your operation.